and good morning. It's Sunday. I'm just about to take the dogs for a walk, and I thought you might want to come with me. The sun was out earlier today. It's getting very cold here in BC, but some stuff is starting to try to grow, and we're going to check that out. So let's go for a walk, and you can come along with me. Isn't that neat? I actually found this on the side of the road. I thought it was so neat. I just chucked it in my trunk. And then I put a solar light in it, and then Dave put this lampshade that's actually from IKEA upside down in it. So we thought that was kind of cool, and it worked out really well. So there you go. Look. You shouldn't be growing yet. Okay, so you remember a while ago I showed you the first woodpecker hole? There's another one. Here's the chickens. Ooh, I'm gonna try not to fall in the ditch. Look at that. I don't think that's a good sign for this tree, huh? So I might want to get the branches off of it before it falls. Well, good morning. Well, good morning. How's it going? Hey, Red. Oh, straggler coming up the hill there. It's so fun. Chicken action. I'm being followed. Keep up, Red. Mm-hmm. Hello. And we have the branch manager and the assistant branch manager here. Well, he's not allowed to have nothing. You're not allowed to have anything, are you, buddy? Come on. This ground is cold. Okay. Come on, let's go for a walk. Come on, Coop. Look at that. Isn't that cool? They're starting to dry up now because they've been here for a couple of weeks, but they're still so cool looking. Look. Bam. We're thinking of starting some mushrooms here. Okay, we eat a lot of variety of mushrooms that apparently can't be grown here except for in specific conditions. So we're gonna have to figure that out. Or start eating a different kind of mushroom, I guess. But yeah. It's so nice out here today. Cold though. Oh, let's go this way. We've never gone this way. I mean, you've never gone this way. Because this was completely grown over by blackberries, and then in that minus 11 or whatever it was, all the blackberries kind of got killed back, so it'll make it easier for us to clean them up this year, that's for sure. Especially now that we're getting another cold snap. Look at this big fat plane coming in. That's a big one. Bamber. Did you get it? Did you get it? You're not very good at that, are you, Coop? Okay, let's go through the trees and see if there's anything new. Come on, Duck, lead the way. Gotta make sure Cooper's following us. Little birds in there. They've all been picking through the moss on the ground, I guess, looking for whatever they can find. What are you doing, Amber Bamber? Yeah, you want to go next door and see if you can catch yourself a coyote? Yeah, I don't think you'd want that. Oh, there's the moon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. It's definitely there. I got to see the moon extra on my telescope I got at the thrift store, and it was so cool. You can see all the craters and, like, amazing. Cooper's gonna hunt for a little while. He's always on the hunt for mice or moles or whatever he can't find. So that's a short walk, but it is cold. Another plane coming in. Sun shining. What more do you want? Chickens under the picnic table. It's a good hiding spot, I gotta tell ya. We got unhappy chicken noises. That means time to go get our birds. Yeah, they're trying to get home safe in the bushes. Come on, ladies. Let's go. Looking for a chicken dinner, huh? Not today, Josephine. Just gonna try and circle around right back to the tree. No, you better get out of here. Alright, let's go round those chickens up. I don't think that hawk or young eagle or whatever it is, don't have my glasses on again so I can't see, is necessarily looking to eat one of my chickens. It's probably more likely looking for mice. Come on, girls. But who needs to take a bunch of chances? Come on, lady. really all a chicken needs. Good girl. Come on. Let's go, all of you. And then they can go in their undercover pen. Or even in their house, because it's getting really cold out here, so they probably want to go inside soon anyway. Are you having a rave in here? What is going on? Oh, she's looking for the corn. There's some massive ruckus coming out of there. Couldn't figure out what it was. You guys go undercover. Go inside. Hi. Maybe go inside. And then, that way, we won't have to worry about you. And I'll keep my eye on the skies in the meantime. Well, this seems as good a place as any to leave you. It's been a short one, but that's nice because short ones are nice. So thank you for joining me on my little wander in the back field with the dogs. We're going to head home. Maybe have a hot chocolate. And then, see what we can find on the Netflix and maybe do some art. So I'll see you later. Hope you have a lovely, wonderful day. Bye.